The Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon, one of the 7 wonders of the natural world, is located in the state of Arizona. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Formed by over 70 million years of erosion from the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon offers a spectacular view. The canyon spans 277 miles in length, up to 18 miles in width, and it measures over a mile in depth at its deepest points. Carlos always wanted to visit the Grand Canyon, and recently he received the chance to hike some of the trails and take several panoramic photographs during his visit. When Carlos arrived at the visitor center, he watched a brief movie that taught tourists about the Grand Canyon National Park and the geological history of the canyon's formation. Later, Carlos followed a hiking trail to become even further acquainted with the canyon. While walking through the trails, Carlos saw some tourists riding donkeys to traverse the canyon's ridges. Throughout his hiking expedition, Carlos used a map to find some of the best hotspots for photographs within the canyon. He revisited some areas at different points in the day because sun angles and lighting can make a big difference in the quality of a photo. Carlos was very pleased that he got to travel to the Grand Canyon. He loves hiking and photography, so this was the perfect outdoor experience for him. He posted all of his best pictures on social media, and his friends were amazed by his breathtaking panoramic shots. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.